There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it.
So hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are alright. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to speed up your Android device. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my friend's channel TechnoDroid, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up guys, so go to your setting, open your setting option. Go to your about phone. After going to about phone, find build version and tap it 6 to 7 times. After that there will be a pop-up notification that you're a developer. After that there will be a new tab in the settings. It depends on which device or which model you are using. I'm using something lava, so that's why mine is in more, and there's the developer option, and turn on the developer option and follow the steps. So guys, when the phone comes out it is 1x, but you have to do 0.5x. Yeah, from so let's see what will happen if we get to 10x. See guys how slow it's loading, but it's animation, you can enjoy it. That's for enjoying, not for anything all. Opening an app or yeah, that type of things, you will get a slow animation, like enjoy the animation, but it's not for the faster Android user. We need a faster device to enjoy everything. So in my opinion you should do it 0.5x. So guys, that's it, 0.5x. Now see the speed in your own. See how fast it's going from closing a tab or opening a new app. See guys, settings, everything is fast enough. See guys, everything is fast. So guys, that's all for today's videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want part 2, I will be uploading it soon. And guys, without any further ado, you guys are watching Aship Jake and I'm signing out.